Coinbase announcing a big deal in the past hour and making a big move into derivatives. Kate Rooney has the details. Kate, what are they doing?
Hey, Brian, that's right. Coinbase is acquiring FairX. It's a Chicago-based derivatives exchange. It's regulated by the CFTC, and the deal helps Coinbase expand its product suite. It doesn't offer derivatives right now, but says it will eventually get into things like options and futures on both the institutional and the retail side of that business. I spoke to Coinbase executives about this deal. The head of Coinbase Institutional, Brett Paul, tells me he saw really strong customer demand for this. He calls it a big commercial opportunity and says Coinbase intends to play a leading role in the derivatives side of the crypto market, even though it is still in the nascent stages, as he called it. There's also competitive pressure going on here. Right now, crypto derivatives are really dominated by the big global exchanges. Binance has been by far the leader by volume, followed by FTX. And lately, analysts have told me they are seeing a lot more action from traders betting on the direction of Bitcoin prices versus buying Bitcoin itself in the spot market. So Bitcoin leverage, or people borrowing to make a trade, hit an all-time high this week. That's according to data from Glassnode. And one way to measure that is the total open contracts. That is up 42% in the last month or so alone. Brian, back to you.
Oh, Kate Rooney with the big news on Coinbase. Kate, thank you very much. All right, let's trade this here. Steve Grasso, listen, Coinbase, they got a lot of capital, but their stock's down 34% in 2 months. It was a $360 stock just in early November. The average analyst target's $387, so the street's bullish. Stock hasn't performed. Now they're making deals. Your take on Coin?
So if you look back, just strictly on the technicals right now, it's bouncing off of a June level of support. So technically the stock looks pretty sound. And also look at what Kate just reported, regulated crypto derivatives. So what the tailwind is in this whole segment of the market is basically they like it when it's not regulated and the bulls like it when it's regulated. So I think the people that are on the fence that want to be investors in this space want more regulation. This to me seems like a tailwind. I would be a buyer of it at these levels, both technically and fundamentally.
Buyer at these levels. Can't be more clear than that, Steve. Thank you very much.